kids, how are you? Are you ready for a new lesson? Very nice. So today we are going to learn about pronoun them. So them is an object pronoun which receives the action in the sentence and it is used in place of third person plural. Why plural? Because we are collectively talking about two or many people. Now you're confused that what is an object pronoun, right? It's very easy. An object pronoun is a pronoun which receives the action in the sentence. For example, we asked them to complete their homework. In this sentence, pronoun them is receiving the action. It is not performing the action. So let's see some examples and make the concept of pronoun them clear. So Rudy, let's take our first example of pronoun them. Give this bottle to them. So in this sentence, them is an object pronoun, which means it is receiving the action. It is not performing the action. And them is used for third person plural. Why plural? Because we are collectively talking about many people.
Now I understood.
Good. So Rudy, read the second example.
Teach them how to read.
Correct. So in this sentence, pronoun them is receiving the action. It is not
Performing the action.
correct. Therefore, it is an object pronoun. Now tell me, pronoun them is used for first person, second person or third person?
Third person.
Right. Singular or plural?
Plural.
Absolutely correct. So Rudy, read the third example.
The teacher looked at them.
Correct. So can you identify an object pronoun in this sentence?
Them.
Why?
Because it's receiving the action.
Absolutely right. And pronoun them is used for first person, second person or third person?
Third person.
Right. Singular or plural?
Plural.
Very good, Rudy. So, I hope you're very clear that what is pronoun them. With this, bye-bye. See you in the next lesson.
Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.